Hi students, myself Vimya KP, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, Parasharaja College, Pulpalli. Today class I discuss the topic report writing and research. This is a part of business research methods, 5th semester BBA. Research report. A research report is a reliable source to recount details about a conducted research and is most often considered to be a true testimony of all the work done. A good research report not only disseminates knowledge but also presents findings for expansion of the horizon of knowledge. That apart, it also checks the validity of the generalization and inspires others to carry on related or allied problems. Objectives of report writing. First objective, to provide detailed information. Second one, to communicate the result to the stakeholders. Third one, to provide a basis for further action. Fourth one, to provide a base for initiating new researchers. Fifth one, to generate awareness about the research. Sixth one, to provide a basis for decision making. Qualities of research report. A report provides factual information depending on which decisions are made. So everyone should be taken to ensure that a report has all the essential qualities which turn it into a good report. A good report must have the following qualities. First one, precision. In a good report, the report writer is very clear about the exact and definite purpose of writing the report. His investigation, analysis, recommendation, and others are directed by this central purpose. Precision of a report provides the unity to the report and makes it a valuable document for best usage. Second one, accuracy. Information contained in a report must be based on accurate fact, since decisions are taken on the basis of report information. Any inaccurate information or statistics will lead to wrong decision. It will hamper to achieve the organizational goal. Next one, relevant. The facts presented in a report should not be only accurate but also be relevant. Irrelevant facts make a report confusing and likely to be misleading to make proper decision. Clarity. Clarity depends on proper arrangement of facts. A good report is absolutely clear. Reporter should make his purpose clear, define his resources, state his findings, and finally make necessary recommendation. To be an effective communication through report, a report must be clear to understand for making communication success. Grammatical accuracy. A good report is free from errors. Any faulty construction of a sentence may make its meaning different to the reader's mind, and sometimes it may become confusing. Reader orientation. While drafting any report, it is necessary to keep in mind about the person who is going to read it. That is why a good report is always reader oriented. Reader's knowledge and level of understanding should be considered by the writer of report. Well, reader oriented information qualify a report to be a good one. Simple language. This is just another essential feature of a good report. A good report is written in a simple language, avoiding vague and unclear words. The language of the report should not be influenced by the writer's emotion or goal. The message of a good report should be self-explanatory. Conciseness. A good report should be concise, but it does not mean that a report can never be long. Rather, it means that a good report or a business report is one that transmits maximum information with minimum words. It avoids unnecessary details and includes everything which are significant and necessary to present proper information. Attractive presentation. Presentation of a report is also a factor which should be considered for a good report. A good report provides a catchy and smart look and creates attention of the reader. Structure, content, language, typing and presentation style of a good report should be attractive to make a clear impression in the minds of its reader. Thank you.